Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to make your account private on Pinterest. Maybe you value your privacy and you want to control who can see your Pinterest account. So today I'm going to show you how to make your account private on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to our profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on this privacy and data option. Here, you will find various privacy settings for your Pinterest account. In this page, you will see the search privacy option. Since you wanted to make your account private, you simply need to toggle on this switch next to this option. After that, a menu will appear, and here, it says that it will take several weeks to make your account private. After reading the contents of this menu, you simply need to tap on this I understand button. After that, you now have successfully made your Pinterest account private. Now, only people that you approve as followers will be able to see your boards and pins. There you go. If you wanted to know how to make your account private on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to make your account private on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.